Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best GPS dash camera in this video? I will show you the top 5 best GPS dash cameras to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Vantrue N2X. Specifications. Brand name, Vantrue. View angle, 158 degrees plus 160 degrees. Camera resolution, 2592 by 1944. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678. GPS logger, internal. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Display, IPS. Warranty 18 months. Weight, 655 grams. Number 4 is Vantrue E3. Specifications. Brand name, Vantrue. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 3. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3 inch. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Display, IPS. Interface, USB 2.0, Wi-Fi. Warranty 18 months. Weight 915 grams. As the item number 3 we've selected, Redtiger F7NP. Specifications. Brand name, Red Tiger. Aperture, f1.55. View angle, 130 degrees to 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3 inch to 5. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Display LCD. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. Number 2 is Red Tiger F17. Specifications. Brand name, Red Tiger. Aperture, f1.55. View angle, 130 degrees to 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3 inch 5. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have DJI Dashcam Z50. Specifications. Brand name, Pei. Aperture, f1.75. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inch. Chipset manufacturer, RK. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.565 kilograms.